Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to share how to schedule post on Facebook profile. So simply we need to download Facebook official application, Facebook. You have to have this application, not this one. So if you have this application, like you will not be able to schedule post on Facebook profile. You need to go on Facebook official application and press on open. Then, if you would like to write something on a Facebook profile, just press anything as you wish. Press on hello and press on next and press on schedule option. Just press on here and then press on schedule for later, and just you can uh, set up any date as you wish. Just press on OK and then come on back and then press on post. That's all. This is the process and how can you schedule post on a Facebook profile.